Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you how I like to make my maple and brown coconut sugar overnight oats. So this is my healthier version of those like little packets that you can buy from the store that is maple and brown sugar. Oats, they're really good, but packed full of chemicals and crazy ingredients that you don't need to eat. So I like to make this. It's quick and just as delicious. So I'm starting out with about 4 to 5 tablespoons of quick cooking oats in a mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, just use a bowl and just stir everything up instead of shake it. Next, I'm going to use about half a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Flax seeds have so many health benefits, like they're it's they're great. So I add about half a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Then I'm going to use this organic brown coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is way better for you than regular white sugar for many, many reasons, but I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of that. Then I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons of black chia seeds. You can use whatever color chia seeds. I just have black chia seeds on hand. Chia seeds are really good for you also. And then I'm going to use 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of 100% pure maple syrup. Make sure that it's like real maple syrup and not fake maple syrup that has a bunch of additives in it. This is the only ingredient in that is maple syrup. Next, I'm going to add just a splash of vanilla extract. I like it for the taste, but that's optional. Next, I'm going to use some vanilla bean almond milk. I really like vanilla bean almond milk lately because you can see like the little black pieces from the vanilla bean, and I think that it tastes really good. So that's what I've been using lately. And I add maybe around 1/4 cup. I just make sure that it's all completely um, covered and there's like enough liquid to coat everything. And yeah, so it's around 1/4 cup of milk, and I just shake it up and add it to the fridge and let it sit overnight. And in the morning, you just grab it and you can heat it up if you want, but in the morning, it's ready to eat. And that is how I like to make my overnight oats.